Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is Ohno Company specializes in manufacturing a unique model of bicycle helmet. The model is well accepted by consumer and the company has enough order to keep the factory production 10,000 helmet per month. Ohno's monthly manufacturing costs and other expenses that are as follows: rent on factory equipment 11,400, insurance on factory building 2,390, raw materials 78,000, utility costs for factory 910, supplies for general office 390, wages for assembly line workers 63,400, depreciation on office equipment 830, miscellaneous material 5,420, factory manager salary 6,600, property taxes on factory building 4,070, advertising for helmet 14,400, sales commission 10,990, depreciation on factory building 1,650, and the answer of the question is manufacturing overhead, rent on factory equipment of 11,400, insurance on factory building 2,390, utility costs for factory 920, miscellaneous materials 1,420, factory manager salary 6,600, property taxes on factory building some 470, depreciation on factory building 1,650, production cost equal to 24,840. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question related to this video, please post a comment below. If you have any question in your mind, you can also post on the website and I will be answering you in the next video. Thank you for engaging with us. Until next video, bye bye.